Hello everyone, this is Joyce from Tianjin Elegant Carpet. Welcome to our showroom. Today I'm going to introduce you one kind of carpet we produce, which we called it PV Fleece Shaggy Carpet. Okay, let's begin with the first quality. Polyester Shaggy Carpet with 4 cm pile long. In the middle, this is the sponge and anti-slip dot backing. For the sponge, we can produce inside our factory by ourselves. Nowadays in the market, the 7 mm thickness, 8 mm and 10 mm is most welcomed thickness. But up to 25 mm, we can produce as well. This can give you the flexibility, which means when you don't know how to decide and what thickness will be liked in your market, you can mix the different thickness in the same container and order from us. This is no limitation from my supplier. Okay. For the second quality, this one, also the polyester shaggy carpet. You can see the pile, also the 4 cm, and you can see very soft and fluffy. But the only difference is this is not a plain color. We called it tie-dyed colors. And another big difference, we changed the middle into the felt, but the backing is same anti-slip dot backing. But maybe you have the question, since you have the flexibility for us for the sponge, then why you change the middle structure? Okay, let me give the answer. This is because we also produce this quality, we call it felt, inside our factory. And the most important is my customers sometimes worried about the response of the sponge after the vacuum. But if for the same thickness, sometimes like 5 mm, we use this quality to be instead, then you don't need to worry about this point. So the same thickness, you can order more quantity in the same 40 HQ container, 20 GP container, but can save you more freight cost and some destination charges. Okay? So now let's see the different colors. Some colors bright, some colors gentle, and some colors dark, and some colors light. Until now, are you interested in my products? Welcome inquiry anytime. Thank you.